Hello my dear student, how are you? I hope all of you fine and safe. Dear student, in today's class we are going to teach you 8th standard second language English. Prose name is The Emperor's New Class. The 7th lesson name The Emperor's and then New Class. Already in the previous period, we have continued this lesson. In this lesson, a play based on a folk tale. This is one of the play. Play means drama. This based on a folk tale. Already in the previous class, we have discussion about this folk tale. Folk tale means Janapada Kate anta. Already we come to half of the lesson. Already now half of the drama anta karitivi. Already now scene first and then scene second already completed. Now we continue this lesson. Scene number 3rd. Okay, dear student? Okay. Are you ready? Shall we start? So, before start the lesson, we discuss in the some points previous classes period. In the last, the chief advisor came into the weaver's room. They were working very hard. But the chief advisor, nothing to see. He was very surprised. And then he speaking to himself, "Oh God, heaven help me. There was nothing on their looms." But the weavers had said, "Only wise men can see the cloth that we make." Weaver said, "Only wise men can see." ಅಂದರೆ ಬುದ್ಧಿವಂತರು ಮಾತ್ರ ಆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನು ನೋಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ದ ಟೂ ವೀವರ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಸರ್ಪ್ರೈಸ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಅಮೇಜ್ಡ್. ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಫೂಲ್, ಐ ಆಮ್ ಎ ಅನ್ಫಿಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಮೈ ಜಾಬ್. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ, ನಾನು ಮೂರ್ಖನ ದಡ್ಡನ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಇನ್ ದ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸೀನ್. ಶಾಲ್ ವಿ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್? ಓಕೆ ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಯು ಲಿಸನ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ ಅಂಡ್ ದೆನ್ ಯು ಸಿ ಯುವರ್ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಬುಕ್ ಕೇರ್ಫುಲಿ. Scene 3rd. The emperors and the new class. Next day in the evening, a room in the palace, the special assistant enters the room. He shows a great surprise when he sees the two weavers working on the two looms with no trace of any cloth or thread on it. Special assistant speaking to himself, "Good heavens, what are these two weavers doing? I don't see any cloth anywhere." First weaver, seeing the special assistant, "Ha, sir, step this way, if you please." Second weaver, "We hope the work we have done will be pleased you as it has pleased the chief advisor." Special assistant, "The chief advisor told me that he was very happy with your work." First weaver, "Look and see how beautiful the circles and the flowing lines are." Second weaver, "And the colors, the dark red and the sky blue and the gold background." Special assistant, taking them on his fingers, dark red, sky blue, gold background. "Yes, they are very good, but His Majesty would like to know when the new clothes will be ready." First weaver, "We will be working on the looms the whole night now." Second weaver, Tell His Majesty that the new clothes will be ready tomorrow hear that, speaking to himself as he goes out. Oh Lord, help me. Am I fool? Am I unfit for the job? I don't know, but I must keep the secret to myself. See third. My dear student, you take a silent reading for a few minutes and then I explain some glossary words taken from the paragraph. Okay, start. Okay, dear student, I hope all of you finish your silent reading. Okay, now continue. I read some glossary words taken from the paragraph. Discover, find out something new. Flatter, praise someone in order to get something. Compliment, words expressing praise. Affice, public or political events and activities. Excellent, extremely good. Fond of, like something or someone very much. Pretend, behave as if something is to act. Heaven, place where God is believed to live. Good heavens, interjection used to express surprise, especially when one is annoyed. Pattern, way or design. Puzzle, to confuse someone. Jewels, valuable objects used for decoration. Progress, improve or develop. Trace, find someone or something that has disappeared. Take, tap, to fasten piece of cloth together with long loose stitch before swing. A pair of trousers, pants. Note, move one's hat up and down to say that one agrees. Rust, noise produced when leaves, papers and cloths rub against one another. Naked, not wearing anything. Cheer, shout as way of showing happiness. Okay, dear student, now since third, once again repeated this glazary words of the green board. Pattern means way or design. Design means ಚಿತ್ರಗಳು ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ರೀತಿಯಾದಂಥ ಡಿಸೈನ್ಸ್ ವಿನ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ ಅದು. Puzzle means to confuse someone. Progress, improve or develop. Trace means find someone. A pair of trousers, pants. Rustle means noise produced when leaves, papers and cloths rub against one another. Rustle ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲೆಗಳ ಸೌಂಡು ಬರ್ತಿರುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ ಅಲ್ಲಾಡುವಾಗ. ಸೊ that is the like of a rustle's sound. Next, the chief advisor ಅವನು ಬಂದಾಗ ಅವನಿಗೂ ವೆರಿ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ because he nothing to see anything, and then he speaking to himself, oh my god, I am a fool, I am unfit for my job. So finally he was decide to ಅವನೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅವನು ಥಿಂಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನು ಅನಿಸುತ್ತೆ, ಅವನೇನು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಬರ್ತಾನೆ ನೋಡೋಣ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ he was thinking about am I fool, am I unfit for my post, I must send my special assistant. ಅವನ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟನ್ನು ಕಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಟು ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ರಿಯಲಿ ಇನ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಜವಾಗಿ ಏನಾಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೀನ್ ಥರ್ಡ್, ದ ಎಂಟ್ರೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಎ ರೂಮ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ಯಾಲೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಇನ್ ದ ಈವ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಸಂಜೆ ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಂಟರ್ಸ್ ದ ರೂಮ್. ದ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ದ ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ enters the room. He shows a great surprise. He was the same. The ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ, ಅವನಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಇವನಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಸೇಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಆಯಿತು. He shows a great surprise when he sees the two weavers working on the two looms with no trace of any cloth or thread on it. And then he enters the room. He was very surprised when he sees the two weavers. He was to see the two weavers working on the two looms. ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಕಡೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. With no trace of any cloth or thread on it. There was any cloth and then any thread was it. Next, special assistant speaking to himself. He was very surprised and then he was speaking to himself. Good heavens, what are these two weavers doing? Oh my God, good heavens, oh devare, what are these two weavers doing? ಇವರಿಬ್ರು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ? I don't see any cloth anywhere. I don't see, ನನಗೇನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ anywhere. Next, first weaver seeing the special assistant, and then first weaver seeing, ಅಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೂ ಅವ್ರು ಯಾರು ನೋಡಿಲ್ಲ, Second viewer. We hope the work we have done will please you as it has pleased the chief advisor. Second viewer ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, we hope the work we have done will please you. ನಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಬೇಗ ಮುಗಿಸೋಣ ಅಂತ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದ್ವಿ. As it has pleased the chief advisor already give to suggestion ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Special assistant. The chief advisor told me that he was very happy with your work. In the yesterday, my chief advisor came into your room and then see your work, and then he was told me he was very happy, and then he was very happy because your work is very good. So chief advisor told me that was very happy with your work. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ಅವರು ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. First viewer, look and see how beautiful the circles and the flowing lines are. First viewer ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, look and see. ಸರ್ ಅವ್ನು ಹಿಂಗೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ the same way ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್ ಆಗಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಥರ ಈಗ ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟಿಗೆ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸಿ, ಯು ಸಿ ಸರ್ ಹೌ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫ್ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಎಷ್ಟು ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್ ಇದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಫ್ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್, ಅಂಡ್ ದೀಸ್ ಕಲರ್ಸ್ ದ ಡಾರ್ಕ್ ರೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಸ್ಕೈ ಬ್ಲೂ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಗ್ರೌಂಡ್. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವ್ಯೂವರ್ come and then he was told, and the colors, he was explained about the colors, the dark red and then sky blue, the dark red color, sky blue color and the gold background. Gold background idella is a very beautiful, you know, my dear sir. Next, special assistant taking on his fingers. He was taking on his fingers ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾರೆ. ಲುಕ್ ಅಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸರ್, ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಸರ್ಕಲ್, ಫ್ಲವಿಂಗ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ and then dark red and then sky blue color sir, golden background and then he taking to the his fingers. ಹೀಗೆ ಅವನ ಕೈಯಿಂದ ಹೀಗೆ ಅವರು ಹೀಗಿಸ್ಕೊಳ್ತಾನೆ, ನೋಡ್ತಾನೆ. And then special assistant taking them in his finger, dark red, sky blue, gold background. Yes, they are very good, very good. But His Majesty would like to know when the new class will be ready. But His Majesty would like to know when the new class will be ready. So, हम ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ वो ಮಹಾರಾಜನಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ would like to know when the new class will be ready. ಅಂದರೆ ನ್ಯೂ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಈಗ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ viewer, will be working on the looms the whole night now. In this looms working on the whole night, ಇಡೀ ರಾತ್ರಿ ಕಷ್ಟಪಟ್ಟು ನಾವು ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ viewer, tell His Majesty that the now class will be ready tomorrow morning. The final touch ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಫೈನಲಿ ಇವಾಗ the cloth is ready tomorrow morning. ನಾನು ಇದನ್ನು ಸಂಪೂರ್ಣವಾಗಿ ನಾಳೆ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ರೆಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಕೊಡ್ತೇನೆ. ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ ಅಸಿಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ವೆರಿ ಮಚ್. His Majesty will be very happy to hear that. So he was a very happy, and then he was speaking to himself, but he was nothing to see anything. ಅವನಿಗೆ ಏನೇನು ಕಂಡಿಲ್ಲ. he was only given made a drama, ನಾಟಕ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಅವನು ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯೇನೋ ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ. His Majesty will be very happy to hear that. ಇದನ್ನು ಕೇಳಿ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಸಂತೋಷ ಆಯಿತು. Speaking to himself as he goes out, and then he left to the room, and then he speak to himself, oh Lord, help me, oh Devare, help me, I am a fool, I am unfit for my job, I don't know, but I must keep the secret to myself, and then I don't know, but I must keep ಈ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್, ಈ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಐ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ದ ಸೀಕ್ರೆಟ್ ಮೈಸೆಲ್ಫ್. ಈ ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ನಾನು ನನ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು, ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಓಕೆ ಮೈ ಡಿಯರ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್, ಆರ್ ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ದಿಸ್ Scene third. We go next scene. Okay, start. Scene 4. The palace hall. The emperor enters the hall, followed by chief advisor, the special assistant, and other courtiers. The two weavers come in bowing to the emperor. First weaver, coming forward to the emperor, pretending to hold the invisible cloths in his hands and bowing to him, here, your majesty, are the coat and trousers which you will wear in the procession. The emperor nods his head, and the first weaver goes back to his place. Second weaver comes forward to the emperor, pretending to hold the coat in his hands, and here, your majesty, is your coat which you will wear over the suit. The emperor again nods his head, and the second weaver goes back to his place. First weaver, may we request your majesty to come to the dressing room so that we may help you to wear the new clothes. The emperor gets up from his chair, and all the courtiers also stand up. The emperor then goes into the dressing room. There is some noise made by rustling of the cloths, and the low voice of the two weavers are heard for some time. Chief advisor, going towards the dressing room and speaking from outside in a loud voice, your majesty, the people are waiting outside to see you in your new clothes. It would please them very much if you show yourself on the balcony before the procession set out. Emperor, speaking from the dressing room, certainly, certainly. My good chief advisor, I have just put on the wonderful clothes these tailors have made for me. I will come as soon as I am ready. The emperor is seen coming out of the dressing room, almost naked and walking through the hall towards the balcony. The courtiers show great surprise to see the emperor having little cloths on his body, but no one says anything because they have been told that only wise men will be able to see the emperor's new clothes, and the fools and the people who are unfit for their post will not see them. Loud cheers and heard from the crowd standing on the road outside. When the emperor reaches the balcony, cheers stop all of sudden, and there is pin drop silence. Then the voice of little child is heard crying out with laughter, "Look, look, daddy, the emperor has no clothes and at all. Has the king become very poor? Doesn't he have money? Doesn't he have money to buy a clothes?" Okay, dear student. Okay. Scenes 4. The palace hall. The emperor's cloth is finally ready, and then the palace hall andre aramaniya ಒಂದು ಸಭಾಂಗಣ. The emperor enters the hall, followed by the chief advisor. The emperors came to the hall. The chief advisor followed. ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. The special assistant and other courtiers. Special assistant ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಮತ್ತೆ others courtiers ಪ್ರಜೆಗಳು. The two weavers come in bowing to the emperor. The two weavers at the moment they were coming and then bowing their heads this time. The emperors enter the hall, followed by the chief advisor ಬರ್ತಾರೆ, the special assistant and other courtiers. ಅದರ ಅವ್ರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರಿದ್ದಾರೆ? ಚೀಫ್ ಅಡ್ವೈಸರ್, ಸ್ಪೆಷಲ್ special assistant, and then courtiers. Chief advisor, special assistant, and then courtiers. These are they were followed to the emperor. First weaver, and then the two weaver came into the hall. They were bowed his head to emperor. The first weaver, ಮೊದಲ ಸಿಂಪಿಗ, coming forward to the emperor, pretending to hold the invisible glass in his hands and bowing to him, "Here, your majesty, are the coat and trousers which you will wear in the procession." ಅವನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಪರರ್, ಪ್ರಿಟೆಂಡಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೋಲ್ಡ್, ಅವನು ಬಂದು the invisible cloths, invisible is the point, visible, invisible ಅಂದ್ರೆ visible means ಕಾಣೋದು, invisible ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಣದೇ ಇರುವುದು ಕಣ್ಣಿಗೆ. Invisible cloths in his hands and bowing to him, ಅವನೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಇನ್ವಿಸಿಬಲ್ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಅವನು ಬೋವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನೆ ಹೆಡ್ಡನ್ನ. ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್, ಹಿಯರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಮೆಜೆಸ್ಟಿ, ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಬಟ್ಟೆ ರೆಡಿಯಾಗಿದೆ. ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್, ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್, ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದ ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದೊಂಥರ ಪ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಥರ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಪೈಜಾಮೆ. ಕೋಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಟ್ರೌಸರ್ಸ್ ವಿಚ್ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ವಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಷನ್, ಈಗ ನೀವು ಇದನ್ನ ಯು ಆರ್ ವಿಯರ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ರೆಡಿ. ದ ಎಂಪರರ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀವರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ದ ಎಂಪರರ್ ನೋಡ್ಸ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್, ಓ ಎಸ್, ಓಕೆ, ಹೀಗೆ ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸೋದು. ಹಿಸ್ ಹೆಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ದ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ವೀವರ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್, ಹೀಗೆ ಮುಂದೆ ಬಂದಿರ್ತಾನ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹಿ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಗೋಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಹೀಗೆ ಹಿಂದೆ ಹೋಗಿ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್, ಟು ಹಿಸ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ವೀವರ್ ಕಮ್ಸ್ ಫಾರ್ವರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಎಂಪರರ್, pretending to hold the coat in his hands, and here, your majesty, is your coat which you will wear over the suit. The emperor again nods his head, and the second weaver goes back to his place. Second weaver ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ, comes forward. Comes forward means in front of to the emperor, pretending to hold the coat in his hand. pretend ಹಿಂಗೆ ಹಿಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ, coat in his ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಈ ಥರ hand. And here, your majesty, is your coat which you will wear over the suit. So this is one of the type of a coat you wear over the suit. ನೀವು ಸೂಟ್ ಹಾಕೊಂಡಿದ್ರಲ್ಲ ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ coat. The emperor again nods his head. The emperor will be again nods. Oh yes, very good. Okay, nods means ತಲೆಯನ್ನು ಅಲ್ಲಾಡಿಸು. And the second weaver goes back to his place. The second weaver atra heli goes back to his place. Okay dear student, are you understand this story? This is one of the different type of a drama. Okay. Okay, my dear student, we stop in this drama. We continue in this lesson in tomorrow and in the next period. Okay, my dear student. Okay, I hope all of you understand the scene first, scene second, and then scene third. So in this scene 4 continue tomorrow. Okay, thank you.